Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. Hello viewers. You know that CBSE already announced Term 1 and Term 2 syllabus for the session 2021-22. The exam of Term 1 will be held in the month of November-December 2021 and the exam of Term 2 will be held at the end of the session in 2022. In this video, I will share about the syllabus, question pattern, method of practice for class 12 mathematics for Term 1. Already CBSE announced the Term 1 exam will be on the basis of MCQ questions for 40 marks with duration of time 90 minutes. There will be 10 marks for internal assessment. For mathematics, internal assessment marks is divided as 5 plus 5. 5 marks will be obtained from periodic test and another 5 marks will be taken from 4 activities. Now, for 40 marks in Term 1, the chapters included in the syllabus are Relation and Function, Inverse, Trigonometric Functions, Matrices, Determinants, Continuity and Differentiability, Applications of Derivative, and Linear Programming. These are the chapters included in the Term 1 syllabus. Now, let us know the mark distribution of the syllabus unit-wise and reduced topic. Unit 1, Relations and Functions. Marks allotted for this is 8. This unit has 2 chapters. Chapter 1, Relations and Functions. Chapter 2, Inverse Trigonometric Functions. In the chapter Relation and Functions, only the 2 topics, that is types of functions and types of relations, are included. That is exercise 1.1 and exercise 1.2 are included. But the topic binary operations and composite functions are not included. That is exercise 1.3 and exercise 1.4 are not included. In the chapter Inverse Trigonometric Functions, definitions, domain, range and principal values branch are included. That is exercise 1.1 included. Properties of inverse trigonometric functions, that is exercise 1.2, is excluded. Now unit 2, Algebra. Marks allotted for this unit is 10 marks. This unit has 2 chapters. Chapter 1, Matrices. Chapter 2, Determinants. In the chapter Matrices, elementary operation of matrices, that is exercise 3.4, not included. Other all topics of these chapters are included. In the chapter Determinants, all topics are included. Now unit 3, it is Calculus. Marks allotted for this unit is 17 marks. This unit has 2 chapters. Number 1, Continuity and Differentiability. Number 2, Application of Derivatives. In chapter Continuity and Differentiability, the topic Mean Value Theorem, that is exercise 5.8, is not included. Other topics all are included here. In the chapter Application of Derivative, only 3 topics, that is maxima minima, tangent normals and increasing decreasing functions are included. Other than this, no other topic included. Now we are going for Unit 5, Linear Programming. Marks allotted for this topic. This unit is 5 marks. In this chapter, topic different types of linear programming and direct linear programming, that is maximize and minimize, that is both the exercises 12.1 and 12.2 are included. Now I will share about the strategy of practice so that you can able to get 40 marks out of 40 in mathematics in term 1 exam 2021. You have to divide the strategy of practice in 2 ways. First, you have to practice your NCERT maths book. The topic what is included, you have to practice all its exercises, all its examples and the sums available in miscellaneous exercises for the related topic. Moreover, you have to read all the relevant informations given in every topic initially as introduction of the chapters or introduction of the topic. Moreover, all the formulae you must have to learn in time. You must have to revise it, you must have to write it, and time to time you must have to recall this one. After completion of this, you just practice other books available in the market which are only for MCQ. It is not necessary to do any sum which is for proof. It is only you have to practice which sum is for MCQ questions. Moreover, you can practice NCERT exemplar. Now, I am sharing one important fact that MCQ questions may be of 3 types in the question paper. One is direct questions with 4 options. Another one is case study based questions. Another one is assertion, description or reasoning based question. Case study based questions will be from one paragraph. There will be 4 or 5 questions depending on the paragraph or passage provided in the question, and each and every questions will have 4 options. You have to choose the correct one. Assertion, reasoning type questions also will remain there. It is informed that for 40 marks, 90 minutes time will be provided in the exam. So, you should remember that there must be some steps that you have to calculate. Easily, by reading the question, you cannot answer all the questions. So, you must have to practice properly. And how to practice, that is also important. Actually, when we are practicing a sum, we are writing each and every steps. But for MCQ questions, when you will have to answer, only you have to give tick mark or you have to say which one is the correct answer. So that time you have no need to show each and every step of calculation in the paper. That means you have to do the calculation very shortly in exam hall. If you take time to calculate one sum, then it will hamper your total time period. That's why as fast as possible you have to calculate. You have to do the calculation as short as possible. You should practice in this way in your home. Should not wait for the exam hall. Before going to exam hall, in your home, you just practice very shortly the calculation. Only the calculation step you write, no need to write other sentences. Another information given by CBSE this time, that if the term 1 exam is possible to take in offline mode, then OMR sheet will be provided to the student. How to use this OMR sheet, that is also very important. You have to use OMR sheet properly in the exam hall. What the instruction will be provided by them, according to that, you have to mark the OMR sheet. Should not misuse the paper, should not make it dirty. 2 options you should not choose in the OMR sheet, otherwise it will be incorrect one, because it is already informed that OMR sheet will be checked by computer. That's why very carefully you should practice on OMR sheet at your home also. So I will tell, you should bring your pencil in the exam hall, because before going to OMR sheet, you just use pencil and tick the correct answer as according to you in the answer sheet. And when you will be confirmed that this is the correct answer, that time you should go for OMR sheet. Otherwise, there will be 2 or 3 choices in your mind. When it will come, then finally you will destroy the OMR sheet. That's why be careful when you are using OMR sheet. So that's all. Best of luck to all of you. I will make the next video on term 2 syllabus and strategy for preparation to get 40 marks out of 40 in mathematics in term 2. If this video is helpful to you, then you should share the video to your other friends so that they also can get the benefit of the video.